Hey guys, so this is my website on Weebly. At the top here, it's just my name because this pertains to me. And then I have my homepage, which has an introduction about who I am and that I study at Stockton and what I'm going to school for and why I chose that track. I also explain why I chose to go to Stockton. And then in my introduction, I do say that I'm eager to meet new connections. So I linked my LinkedIn. And then I also have this link that goes to my contact me page if people have any questions. So next to it, I have the map. You can't miss that one there. And then underneath there, I have my question. And the question is just asking if people have an interest in the public relations field, because most of the information on my website will pertain to that only because that is the major that I'm going into. And then at the bottom of the homepage, I have the helpful links. So the first two are for associations that professionals can join in to build up their network. So one is just a national one, and then one is an international one. And I put the international one in here because I am very interested in international public relations. And then the third one is a link to the Women in Communications, only because this really interests me because it is an entire association made up of professionals that are in the public relations field that are women. And I feel like that's really empowering, and they cover journalism, broadcasting, and public relations. And then I linked the websites into the names of the societies. So the next page we're going to take a look at is the About Me page. At the top here, I have a picture from prom of me and my good friend Megan. And then underneath there, I have an introduction about who I am, how I live in New Jersey all my life, kind of like a little background about where I work. And then the second paragraph, I kind of discuss the pictures of my slideshow. So that is my three-legged cat. I wish this picture right here was real, but sadly it is not. It is a photoshopped picture. But I included all these pictures because they cover all the aspects of my life that I'm very interested in. I love my family, I love my friends, and I love reality television. So in order to best understand me, I included those pictures. And then at the bottom, I have my introduction video from the beginning of this course. And then I have a link to my blog page. So over here, I kind of give some background saying how what course this blog was in relation to, and then I linked the book, and then also I provide a link to my blog itself. And then I also grouped into categories because not all of the blogs are technology blogs. So those are like the chapter reviews. I also have storytelling tools and the social media etiquette, and I also set the dates as well, so they're coinciding with my blog. So for the tools page, I kind of introduced how different tools can make academic career easier as well as the overall career. And I linked the to two different Smackdowns that I have, so it'll open up on those pages right over here, because those are two tools. And then I also discussed Animoto, Screencast-O-Matic, and Quizlet. And I introduced to why they could be influential to somebody's academic career. And then this is where you can come down and select each thing. I have the YouTube videos linked as well. And then I also up here explain what a Smackdown is, and I defined it as a short explanation of a particular tool. And then earlier in the presentation of the website, I said how people can contact me for information, and I just have this page right here. So yeah, it's like that's my website, and that's it.